Hello, everyone. So, today we're going to be replacing that. Don't ask me how this happened. I don't know. Not my laptop, also. It's, my friend's. Mine is over here, nice and safe. So, yeah. But, I'm going to guess there's something impacted it there, and the screen broke. So we're going to be replacing this. Or figuring out how. So first, power it off, and then we're going to follow this nice iFixit guide. We're going to see if I can fix it. So let me power this off, and I will power it off. Okay. Power it off. So first, I'm actually going to take it apart for me. Okay, foam. Cool. There it is. Packaged really nice, I will say. Yep, there she is. So once we get this, take a better look at this once we get the actual screen out and off. Semi-top-down view. So, somewhat like that, and let's get started. So, I've opened this a couple times before because the DC jack broke, kind of, and this corner screw never comes out, or it, doesn't detach. There we go. Okay. Top part is out, and the room is a little bit toasty. One second. Cool. Ish. Okay. Back is out. Yada yada yada. Do I need to remove the battery? I doubt. Could just unplug it. Okay. According to this, it wants me to remove the battery? I mean, I doubt I can remove the connector. I'm not going to remove the battery itself. Yeah, okay, done. Battery's disconnected. Cool. Some of this I don't get. Like, why do you have to, it tells me to remove the heatsink, but like, Okay, so yeah, I shouldn't need to. I should just have to remove the Wi-Fi card, that and that. I don't think the heatsink does anything. So, display connectors one. That's easy. And it's just underneath this. Loosen the fan. Okay, put the fan back. Cool. Okay, that's done. Next is the Wi-Fi card. That I'll just pop out. That's done. And then now we have hinges. This is the right hinge. Oh, crap. Move that there, so if I misplace any screws, I can rewatch the video. Okay. 3 on this side. Also, there's a lot of empty space. Also a SATA spot for an SSD. Not SATA spot, a port connector. Where is it? There, I think that's it. Or actually, it might be this one. Probably this one. Yeah. HDD2. We have our main hard drive, solid state drive. One more. I'm back. I got tape. So now we can continue working. Okay. Whoops. Tape is there. What the? I remember this is like this. I was gonna say, where's the tape backwards? It's like that because it's double-sided or something. Unwind this protective wrap. Okay, sure. Trash can was over there. Boop. All right, that's done. Put this like, put this on like so. Cool. Alrighty-o! I did it! Alright, let's see. I need you to make sure it works. Let me run a test. Forgot where the tests are. Oh, probably maintenance. No. Here. Okay, well, feels. Let's go! We fixed it. Or I fixed it. But there she is. All fixed. I have to fix the touchscreen. But fixed it, and that's all that matters. So let it charge. But I fixed the computer. Fix the screen. So that is a completely successful video. Once I get these screws back in, I should be good to go. She's fixed. So, successful video. Thank you. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.